That's a big zucchini that my mom gave me from her garden, but if you don't have one that's as big, you could use two medium-sized zucchinis. Use a box grater to grate in the bowl. Before we begin, we'll need to squeeze out as much liquid from the zucchini as possible. You can do this by placing the grated zucchini on a clean kitchen towel or cheesecloth and wring it out a few times. This is a very important step to prevent the meatballs from becoming soggy. Afterwards, place the zucchini in a clean bowl and add a pound of ground chicken or turkey, 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, your herb mixture, and the recipe is listed below the video, breadcrumbs, and an egg. Mix until everything is well incorporated. I like to use my latex gloves. It's a lot easier to clean my hands and it's just more sanitary. Pour some olive oil onto a lined baking sheet. Use your hands to evenly coat the lined baking sheet with oil. Form the mixture into 1-inch meatballs and place them on the prepared sheet. Keep the meatballs evenly spaced out. This recipe is good for about 3 to 4 trays. I'm also going to show you how to make meatballs on a stovetop if you choose not to use your oven. Once you're done, you could pop this into a preheated 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. If you prefer cooking on a stovetop, begin by adding olive oil to a non-stick pan. Place the meatball in batches, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Turn the meatballs every 5 minutes to brown each side evenly. Once they're fully cooked, add your favorite tomato sauce and let it simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes. Afterwards, add some chopped basil or parsley and you're ready to serve. Thank you again for watching, and if you like what you just saw, drop me a like and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.